Welcome to the Organic Qualitative Analysis Lab. This video is just to give you a brief overview of the things that this lab can do, as well as some of the features that it has. If you want more details on these, please check out our other videos on Vimeo. To begin in the Organic Qualitative Analysis Lab, you're going to select one of the sections here. So for example, if I wanted to do an experiment with some aldehydes, I would click aldehydes and it will give you a list of known aldehydes as well as an unknown that you could use to practice. Click benzaldehyde, and once you click on a chemical, it will be added to your round bottom flask, where you can then click on the flask and drag over to the test tube holder, where it will have a test tube of that substance where you can then perform experiments with it. So if we were to add some bromine here, I would simply click and drag over to the test tube. We'll let some bromine go in there, and then you'll see a video of the reaction or non-reaction that will occur with that substance. Once you're done, you can then drag the test tube over to the trash can, throw it away, and then you can start again and go through the reagents as you would like. At any point, if you would like to, you can click save. We'll click save a couple times here so you can see that it saves the image at the time shown in the video. You can throw away that test tube, get the next one, and just go through all of your different experiments that you would like. You'll notice that we have our stockroom here with all of the chemical compounds that you can use. We have a spectral library with proton NMR, carbon-13 NMR, FTIR, and mass spec for all of these chemicals listed here. You can click on them and view them. If you would like to take any one of those for your substance on your lab bench, you would just simply go to the machine, drag over from the machine to your round bottom flask, and it will show you here's the proton NMR for benzaldehyde, here's the FTIR for benzaldehyde. If you wanted to take a TLC plate, you could. If you wanted to do a melting point, you could do that as well. And you'll notice all of the information is saved here in my lab book as well. We have a mass spec. We can clear the data. All the information is saved in your lab book when you click save. So you'll notice all that information I had was not saved because I did not click the save button on any of it. You have to do that in order to save the data in your lab notebook. If you've been assigned or given an unknown, those will be here. Because I haven't been assigned an unknown, there's no unknown listed here. If I wanted to practice, I would select the compound that I would want and then select unknown. You'll notice the presets here for our Beyond Labs presets, as well as any Save Lab presets that you've created, and then as well a Clear Lab button here at the bottom, which does the same thing as if you were to click the trash can here in the lab. So that's a brief overview of the Organic Qualitative Analysis Lab. If you have any questions, please reach out to support, and we'll be happy to help you, as well as check out our other videos, which will help you understand more specifics about what was covered in this video.